Think you know the true secrets of making money online? Think again. In just minutes, we're revealing the mindset shifts that turn beginners into affiliate marketing millionaires. Don't miss out on the strategies that could have cash flooding into your account. Imagine stepping into the world of affiliate marketing, armed with nothing but a burning desire to succeed. Picture yourself navigating through the maze of strategies, platforms, and endless streams of advice. It's easy to get lost, to feel overwhelmed, and to question whether you're cut out for this. But here's the thing: the difference between those who make it and those who don't isn't about having a secret formula. It's about perseverance. Now consider the story some affiliates go through. They jump into affiliate marketing with high hopes, but soon face the harsh reality of no clicks, no sales, and the mounting pressure of feeling like a failure. Most would have called it quits, but they didn't. Instead, they doubled down, learned from mistakes, and adapted strategies. Fast forward a few months, and the once elusive sales began to trickle in, growing steadily into a full-fledged income stream. And then there's another experience affiliates can face. Some are no stranger to digital marketing, but found affiliate marketing to be a different beast altogether. The initial campaign was a disaster, losing more money than it made. Rather than giving up, they sought feedback, tweaked the approach, and focused on building genuine connections with the audience. The result? A turnaround story that's not only about profit, but about building a loyal following. These stories highlight a universal truth in affiliate marketing, and beyond perseverance is key. It's about sticking through the tough times, being willing to learn, adapt, and push forward. Remember, every successful marketer you see today once stood where you are, facing the same uncertainties and challenges. But what does perseverance look like in your day-to-day efforts? It means consistently creating content, optimizing your campaigns, and engaging with your audience, even when the numbers don't seem to justify the effort. It's about seeing failure not as a setback, but as a stepping stone. The digital landscape is always changing, and resilience is your greatest asset in adapting to these shifts. I want to hear from you. Have you faced a moment in your affiliate marketing journey where giving up seemed like the only option? How did you push through? Let's inspire each other to keep moving forward no matter the obstacles. In the world of affiliate marketing, being able to pivot and adapt to the rapidly changing landscape is not just a skill, it's a necessity. Imagine you're sailing in the vast ocean of digital marketing. Like a seasoned sailor, you need to read the wind and the waves, adjusting your sails to harness the power of the changing conditions. This is exactly what successful affiliate marketers do. They keep a keen eye on industry trends, algorithm updates, and even the subtle shifts in consumer behavior. Now you may wonder, how do they manage to stay ahead of the curve? The secret lies in their relentless pursuit of knowledge. They are always learning, unlearning, and relearning. Whether it's a new social media algorithm, a shift in SEO, best practices, or a new platform taking the internet by storm, these marketers are on top of it. They understand that what worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. But it's not just about staying informed. Flexibility is their superpower. They're not afraid to overhaul a campaign that isn't performing or to experiment with new strategies that could potentially skyrocket their success. This ability to adapt quickly without becoming too attached to a single approach is what sets them apart. Picture implementing a strategy that suddenly becomes obsolete due to a platform update. Would you stick to your guns hoping for a miracle, or would you adapt your strategy to sail smoothly with the new changes? Here's where resilience comes into play. The willingness to learn from both successes and failures, treating each as an opportunity to grow, is crucial. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where adapting quickly was the only way forward? How did you manage it? There is power and adaptability in driving success in the fast-paced world of affiliate marketing. In the dynamic realm of affiliate marketing, viewing failures as mere stepping stones rather than roadblocks can dramatically shift your trajectory towards success. Imagine this: every successful affiliate marketer you admire has, at one point, faced setbacks. But what separates them from the rest is their unique perspective on failure. They don't see it as a defeat, but as a goldmine of insights, a real-time feedback loop offering them a chance to refine and perfect their strategies. Take, for example, a marketer who launches an ad campaign that doesn't yield the expected results. Instead of considering it a loss, they dissect every element of that campaign from the ad copy and visuals to the targeting parameters. They ask critical questions like, was my message clear enough? Did I understand my audience's pain points? Or was the timing off? This meticulous analysis allows them to pinpoint exactly where things didn't align and how they can pivot for better outcomes in future endeavors. Even the choice of affiliate products can teach valuable lessons. A product that seemed like a perfect fit might not resonate with an audience as anticipated. This is not just a setback, it's a learning opportunity to dive deeper into audience research, understand their evolving needs, and ultimately refine product selection criteria. Now, think about your own experiences. Have you ever encountered a setback that, in hindsight, taught you something invaluable? How did that experience shape your approach moving forward? Engaging with failures as opportunities to learn and grow is not just about improving metrics or boosting sales. It's about fostering a mindset that sees endless possibilities in every challenge. This attitude is what sets apart truly successful affiliate marketers. What's one failure you've turned into a stepping stone in your affiliate marketing journey? Let's inspire each other to view setbacks as opportunities for growth and innovation. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Maintaining high levels of motivation and setting clear, achievable goals is akin to holding a compass on the winding path to success. Imagine your motivation as the fuel in your engine propelling you forward, while your goals are the destinations marked clearly on your map. Without one or the other, you might find yourself off course or worse, stranded. Now, consider the concept of SMART. Goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This method transforms a mere wish list into a series of checkpoints that are within your reach. Take, for example, the goal of increasing your email list. A SMART approach would be to aim for a specific increase, say 25% over the next quarter, by implementing targeted strategies like optimized landing pages or engaging content offers. This clarity doesn't just add direction, it makes the goal feel attainable. Positive thinking and visualization are your secret weapons in this arsenal. It's like visualizing the finish line before the race begins, seeing yourself achieving those targets. Studies have shown that when individuals engage in positive visualization, their motivation levels see a significant uptick. It's about seeing the potential, the what could be, and letting that image guide your daily actions and decisions. Remember, every small step taken is a step closer to that vision. Now, I'm curious, how do you set your goals? Have you tried using SMART goals, or do positive visualizations play a part in your strategy? Engage, enlighten, and inspire each other as we strive towards our ambitions. Imagine you're on a thrilling adventure in the vibrant world of affiliate marketing. You're armed with enthusiasm and ambition, but the journey's complexities and unpredictable challenges can be daunting. Here's where creating a support network of fellow affiliate marketers becomes your hidden gem, transforming solitary quests into a collaborative expedition. Why, you ask? Imagine having a round table with individuals who empathize with your struggles, celebrate your victories, and offer a treasure trove of tested strategies and wisdom. This camaraderie not only boosts your morale, but also sharpens your marketing acumen. When one marketer experiments with a novel approach or tool and shares their outcomes, it's like the entire network benefits from those insights without bearing the risks or time investment. Now add mentorship into the mix. A mentor with their wealth of experience can help you navigate the affiliate marketing maze, avoiding pitfalls and seizing opportunities that you might not have recognized. They're like the lighthouse guiding ships to shore, offering clarity and direction amidst the chaos. Engaging with a community holds up a mirror to your practices, inviting constructive criticism and fresh perspectives. It's easy to get tunnel-visioned. Being open to external viewpoints can inspire innovation and a growth-oriented mindset. Such diverse interactions are akin to adding different spices to a dish, enhancing its flavor profoundly. Think about this. Have you ever felt stuck and wished for a guiding light or a sounding board? Can you imagine how harnessing the collective genius of a network might catapult your affiliate marketing adventures to new heights.